Hi everyone, a smile like Lord Krishna in all circumstances. Let's start conversion of degree of latitude and longitude into linear distance. First of all, I am going to find linear distance of 1 degree latitude. 1 degree latitude equal to what kilometer? You know that circumference equal to 2 pi r. Here r is radius of Earth. You can take around 6400 kilometer or 6370. This is average radius of Earth. In fact, radius of Earth at equator is around 6378 kilometer, and radius at pole is around 6357 kilometer. But you can take approx radius of Earth approx 6400 kilometer or 6370 kilometer. This is a sphere, equator 0 degree. This is 90 degree, and from 0 degree to 90 degree, you know that this is 1/4 of circumference. 1/4 of circumference. 1/4 of circumference. Now 90 degree latitude. 90 degree latitude is 1/4. It means 1/4 of circumference 2 pi r is equal to 1/4 to पाई का वैल्यू जानते हो, एज यू नो डेट वैल्यू ऑफ पाई इज 22/7 इंटू आर, रेडियस ऑफ आर कैपिटल आर से लिख सकते हो, आर इज 6370 किलोमीटर विच इज इक्वल टू 1001 किलोमीटर. Since 90 degree latitude is equal to 1001 kilometer, therefore 1 degree latitude equal to 10010 upon 90, which is almost equal to 11 kilometer. Now find a linear distance of 1 degree longitude. 1 degree longitude equal to what kilometer? As you know that circumference equal to 2 pi r. Since 360 degree longitude is equal to circumference, that is equal to 2 into 22/7 into r, 6370, almost equal to 404 kilometer. Therefore 1 degree latitude, sorry, 1 degree longitude is equal to 4004 upon 360, which is almost equal to 111 kilometer, which is almost equal to 111 kilometer. 111 kilometer. Draw a sphere. This is pole. Draw imaginary line. Meridians. Suppose this is 0 degree equator, and two meridians, two longitude separated by 1 degree. Separated by 1 degree. Separated. At equator, it is maximum. At equator it is maximum around 11 kilometer. At I have already taught you that at South Pole and North Pole, linear distance is 0. Now question stands, how it is 0? As you know that all longitudes converged at poles, that is 0 degree of separation. That is 0 degree of separation, यानी longitude 0 degree से separate है. Since 360 degree longitude has 40040 kilometer, so 0 degree longitude is equal to 4004 upon 360 into 0 is equal to 0 kilometer. If you find a 60-degree west east longitude, it will be around 66 kilometer. Thanks. That all.